Well, this was easy. The last video said my next move was to try figure out what to do to remove this foam here without killing myself. And stop that! Look at that! This foam is so completely rotten that it just comes off like that. It's not even sticky. So I'll keep at it for a while and flip it over and see. I'll let you know if it works the same way on the other side. Actually, if I don't do anything further, that means it just came off the same way on the other side. All right, hope this helps somebody. If you know where I can get a good foam for the show side with thing, leave a comment, please. Thanks. And it turns out that the vacuum wasn't the greatest way. Meet Mr. Scraper. Clean him up a little bit. Vacuum just made a mess of this stuff. It worked, but it was going to take like days. Then I realized, or I got the idea to try paint scraper, low angle, how's that? And how screwed up is this stuff? Little balls with it. So that's it. You have to come in at a really low angle and go slow. Give the adhesive a fighting chance to let go. Beauty A. And then just I call them bench brushes. Get what's left. I'm hoping after a few days it'll dry up a bit and won't be so tacky. It's sticky. It'll be a while before I find foam to put down. We're pretty much shut down, all of Ontario. Anything non-essential. Mario's headliner is non-essential. So I'm going to clean this up, put it up in a corner somewhere, and find something else to work on. I still don't have a water pump for my well, so I still don't have water, so I can't weld, I can't grind. I've got fire extinguishers, but this is a wood shop. If fire catches, water is my best defense. So things are going slow. Might have to work on instruments. I work on instruments all day. I work on the car in the evenings. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody.